Hi teachers, today I'm going to show you how your students can use Adobe Spark to meet one of the science standards for first grade. It's this one right here, and it states, construct an explanation of how magnets are used in everyday life. Here is my Adobe Spark account and some of the activities that I've done down here. And after logging in, what your students would do would be click on the plus sign, and I'm going to come over here to click on Start from Scratch, and I'm going to say Video. Now, it's going to ask me to do this, but I'm not going to. I'm going to skip it. And then it wants me to choose one of these templates, or I can start from scratch down here, which I'm going to choose Start from Scratch. And then as it is thinking, there we go, we will get started here. I don't need the tutorial, so I'm going to say, okay, I'm ready. And then here is my video that the students could create. So right here you have the plus sign in the middle, and you can tell it that you want to do video, text, photo, or an icon. You can also come over here and you can say you want full screen or split screen, caption, or title and text. And I'm going to first click on title and text. And then for my title, let's say magnets. And then down here in everyday life. Let's see how that looks. There we go. There will be my title slide. And then now that I have that, I'm going to add another page. And as I click that plus sign, you can see another page comes up right here. And now for this page, I think what I'd like to do is I need to construct an explanation of how they're used in everyday life. And I'd like to make it interesting and add some photos. So I think I'm going to choose over here split screen. Now when I choose split screen, I can have a photo on this side and text on that side, or vice versa. So then I'm going to choose a photo here. And then over here you have choices. The students can upload a photo that's on the computer, or they can find free photos, or they can use Adobe Stock. I'm going to click on Adobe Stock. Now I have the free account, so they will have the Adobe watermark, but I'm fine with that. So now I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to click type in magnets. And let's see what comes up for that. Hopefully it has some good pictures of different magnets, and it does. So I'm going to choose one that I think might be kind of interesting. And I think the kids would like this one right here, or maybe that one right there where the magnet is pulling little people. So I'm going to click on that, and it shows up over here. It takes a minute for it to get clear, but there it is, and it does have the Adobe Stock watermark. Over here I'm going to click Add Text and say something like, we use magnets in everyday life. And the students can type whatever it is that they want. Now I'm going to add another page, and I'm going to show some examples of magnets that are in everyday life. So I'm going to go back to my split screen. I'm going to say I want a photo, and I'm going to come over here, and I noticed when I was looking at these other magnets that I've got these right here, but it's kind of hard to tell what those are. So let me scroll on down a little bit further. Aha, there we go. This looks like magnets on a refrigerator. So I'm going to click right there. And while it's thinking, I'm going to come over here and add my text. Sometimes people put magnets on their refrigerators. All right, I'm going to add another page. I want split screen, photo, and sometimes toys have magnets in them. So let's look and see if there are any toys in Adobe Spark that we could use. All right, I see lots of examples here. I'm going to try that one. And let's edit that a little bit, make it a little bit smaller. Because I think right here, if you notice, there are some trains. There we go. There's some trains right there, and in between the little train cars, they're connected by magnets. So I'm going to say some text here that says, some toys have magnets just like the train cars. And I could keep on going and continue to add pictures and explanations of different ways that we use magnets in school. Down here, the students, or not magnets in school, but magnets in life. And down here, the students could click on this and record a quick snippet of what's happening in this picture, or they could read the text that they put on the page. And that is one way that students can show their learning by using Adobe Spark. Thanks.